Color correct brassy or yellow hair instantly with InstaFix. InstaFix comes in 2 colors. There is Platinum Pop and Brass Neutralizer. Platinum Pop is going to make your hair whiter, get rid of the yellow, and Brass Neutralizer is going to mellow out the brass and neutralize and tone it down. Let me show you. Let's start with Platinum Pop. I'm going to take this half of my hair and whiten and brighten anything that's yellow or brassy without any damage. Quick and easy, and is not going to mess with the integrity of your hair. Amazing, right? Quick and easy. InstaFix, Platinum Pop. Let me show you Brass Neutralizer. This side, we're going to tone down and mute out any brass. Quick, easy, no waiting, no water, no damage. It's so soft and won't damage your hair. Easy to use, foolproof. InstaFix.